Hey, good to see you there. So this is A Wire and welcome back to another video. Now today I am going to do a bike check. So for all of you that know, I resparked my love for BMX and I'm back in the BMX world. So a lovely friend of mine hooked me up with a bike, which was excellent. But there's a few little things I had to change on it to make it more of my type of bike. So yeah, kick back and enjoy, and I will tell you about the parts and I will show you some riding while you do. This is the life. So, for starters, I must say, the first one I talk about is my frame. I got the Totalbmx Hangover H4 2020 version, and I will just talk about the problems I have with it. The price. It is way too expensive. And yeah, so get that out of the way. Now we'll talk about the other things around like. I got it in 21-inch top tube. Also, I am running profile mini hooks with some alienation rings. I'm running a Salt Plus top load stem, and the We the People stock bars and stock fork. Also, I am running Shadow Conspiracy tires. At the front, the welterweight. I'm also running Tioga, I don't even want to pronounce it. On the rear at 2.25. I wanted with fat at the back, but because of my braking system, it couldn't fit. And also brakes. I am running the Shadow Conspiracy brakes. I got them in polish. Very soon I will change that to a gyro, but until then, straight cable is gonna have to work. We the People pivotal seat. I'm running a purple KMC chain. I'm running the Salt Plus 26 tooth sprocket. What else on there that is important? I'm running some Shadow Conspiracy grips. But apart from that, I must say, hands down, this is the best bike I have ridden in my life. It's second best to my Eastern Boss, which was up until now the best bike I ever rode. But those are no longer making anymore, so I started venturing off into the Totalbmx line. The things I like about this bike is that with the steeper head tube and the shorter back end, it's something what my friend called the porn star. Long in the front and tight in the back.
I was never faithful, and I was never one to trust. Borderline in schizo, and guaranteed to cause a fuss. I was never loyal, except to my own pleasure zone. I'm forever black-eyed, a product of a broken home. never faithful, and I was never one to trust. Borderline bipolar, forever fighting on your nuts. I was never grateful, that's why I spent my days alone. I'm forever black-eyed, a product of a broken home. Broken home. Black-eyed, 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 faithful, and I was never one to trust. Borderline and schizo, and guaranteed to cause a fuss. I was never loyal, except to my own pleasure zone. I'm forever black-eyed, a product of a broken home. Broken home. Black-eyed, 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 black-eyed.
So after a good day of riding, the only way to reward yourself is with some calories. Look at that. Itadakimasu. Let's try.
Good?
Itadakimasu. It just melts in your mouth. Oh, and that is a wrap.